Take a ride in the 2020 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, daytime running lights, tire pressure monitoring system, Bluetooth, trip computer, power door locks, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, tilt steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.